Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to make group on Instagram. So let's start the video. But before starting this video there is a polite reminder, please like this video and subscribe the channel. Firstly you simply need to tap on Instagram application. To make a group, what you need to do is to tap on message icon from the right top. Then tap on pen or pencil icon on the right top. Here you will see a lot of friends that you have already followed, or someone is following you on Instagram. To create a group with them, first of all select those members like this. These are members of the group you will then you will send message to them. Tap on the chat option. Once you have done so, you need to write the name of group, like I will write university university group, and send a message hello. Then you will see that the group is created on any Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.